Hi everyone, welcome to the standard basic trigonometric. So for the equation for x ranging between 0 to 360, given sine of x power 4 minus cos of x power 4 is equal to 0. So we are going to make use of this identity. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we express this trigonometric identity using this quadratic identity as follows. So this identity, after using this identity, becomes bracket sine square dx plus cos square dx multiplied by bracket sine square dx minus cos square dx. Then we make the use of this identity whereby we are aware that sine square dx is the same as 1 minus cos squared x. At the same time, also, so sine squared dx is the same as 1 minus cos squared dx. Also, cos squared dx is equal to 1 minus sine squared dx. So we substitute sine squared x here with 1 minus cos squared dx. And up here we substitute cos squared x with 1 minus sine squared x to obtain the following. So substituting sine squared dx with 1 minus cos squared dx, we are going to have this. And here also we substitute sine squared dx with 1 minus cos squared x, so that now we have single identity. Remember, everything here is equal to 0. So you can clearly see here that you have minus cos squared dx plus cos squared dx will be left with the 1. This other side will be having 1 minus 2 cos squared x. So it will be left with 1 minus 2 cos squared x is equal to 0 after simplifying here, because cos squared x will cancel out and you will be left with 1, and here you will be left with negative 2 cos squared x. So from here we find out that we take this negative the other side, so that we have 2 cos squared x. So we divide by 2, then we take square root. Then from there now we are going to obtain the cos inverse both sides. So the cos inverse of root 1 over 2 is given by 45. And because now there is negative here, also 135 is part of our solution. Also 225 is part of our solution, and 315 is part of our solution, because we have both positive and negative here. And our range, x ranges between 0 and 2 and 360 degrees. So thanks so much for your time to study with me on how to evaluate this trigonometric equation, which you are given sine power 4x minus cos power 4x is equal to 0 between this range here. And we have made use of this identity, whereby we have expressed sine power 4 minus cos power 4 in the form of this identity. Then we have used this identity of sine squared dx is equal to 1 minus cos squared dx, so that this part we can write it in terms of one trigonometric part. And we have simplified it to this part here, whereby now we have taken the cos inverse both sides, so that we'll be left with x. And because we have plus and minus, because square root of sine squared x is plus or minus, square root of sine squared x is cos x. On the right hand side, it is plus or minus half square root of 1 over 2. Then the possible values are all these. Thanks so much. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video. which upload for us every day as we keep on learning together this important concept of months. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.